Good morning, students. Today we have to do examples of your chapter trigonometric functions. So, first example is convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. You have to convert this term into radian measures. Clear? So, first you have to convert this minutes into degree. In last video we have discussed about minutes, degree and seconds. So in 1 degree there is 60 minutes. एक डिग्री में 60 minutes होते हैं, ठीक है? So in 1 minute how many degree? 1 by 60 degree. Clear? अगर एक डिग्री में 60 minutes थे, तब in 1 minute there is 1 by 60 degree. So in 20 minutes there is 20 by 60 degree. Because in 1 minute there is 1 by 60, so in 20 minutes there is 20 by 60 degree. So 0 0 cancel, 40 degree. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So it is 41 by 3 degree. 41 by 3 degree. Clear, students? So it is in this section. Now you have to convert this into improper fraction. So it is 3 into 40, 120. 120 plus 1, 121. Divided by 3 degree. Now we have to convert this degree measure into radian measure. Clear? In last video we have to discuss about relationship between degree and radian measure. In 1 degree there is pi by 180 radian. एक डिग्री ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ पाई by 180 ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ रेडियंस ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ठीक है? So multiply this term by pi by 180 radian. So it is 121 into pi, 121 pi. 183 is a 540. So this is the answer. Clear? That is 121 pi by 540 radian. Clear, students? Next, example number 2. Convert 6 radians into degree measures. In this question, we have to convert radian into degree measures. So we know that 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Clear, students? एक रेडियन में 180 by pi degree होते हैं, ठीक है? So first, we have to convert 6 radian into degree. It is 180 by pi degree. Now we have to put the value of pi. That is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So 7 becomes reciprocal. Now you have to cancel 6 and 22 in the table of 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 11 is 22. That is 3 7 is 21. Multiply 180 divided by 11 degree. Now we have to multiply 180 by 21. It is 3780 divided by 11 degree. Okay, students. Now you have to divide 3780 by 11. 11 3 is 33. Clear? Now 7 minus 3, it is 4. 3 minus 0, 8. 11 4 is 44. 8 minus 4 4. 0. 11 again 3 is 33. 7. So you have to write it into which section? So what is the quotient? Quotient is 343. Remainder 7 and divisor 11. Clear, student? You can also write it as 343 degree 7 by 11 degree. ठीक है? तो सिर्फ सेपरेट करके भी लिख सकते हो. 343 डिग्री लग करके और 7 by 11 डिग्री तो लग करके. ठीक है? Now you have to convert this degree into minutes. Clear, students? Convert this degree into minutes. In 1 degree, there are how many minutes? In 1 degree, there are 60 minutes. So it is 343 degree. 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. This is symbol of minute. Dash. Clear? So 343 degree. 6 7s are 42 divided by 11 minutes. Now we have to again divide this term. 420 by 11. 11 threes are 33. 9. 11 8s are 88. So what is the question? 38. Remainder 2 and divisor 11. Clear, students? So next 343 degree. You can write this term as 38 minutes 2 by 11 minutes. ठीक है, तो फिर से सेपरेट कर लोगे 38 minutes and 2 by 11 minutes. Now again you have to convert minutes into second. In 1 minute there are how many seconds? 60 seconds. So multiply by 60. So this double dash is the symbol of seconds. So next 343 degree, 38 minutes and 60 to the 120 by 11 seconds. Clear? Next 343 degree, 38 minutes, 120 by 11 seconds. So 120 by 11 when divided, its approximate value is 10.9 second. 10.9 second. Or you can also write 343 degree, 38 minutes. You round it is 10.9 into 11. 11 seconds. So this is your final answer. So 6 radian when converted into degree measure, its answer is 343 degree, 38 minutes and 11 seconds. Clear, students? Next example third. Find the radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree intersects an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. You have to use pi here, 22 by 7. Find the radius of the circle. This is circle. You have to find it by radius. Take the center O and radius is OA, that is R. In which a central angle of 60 degree, central angle is 60 degree which subtended by an arc. ठीक है, जिधर arc central angle बना रहे हो that is 60 degree and the length of that arc is 37.4. This is arc and its length is 37.4 centimeter. So first you write length of arc, taken it as L, that is 37.4 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the radius. Clear, students? So there is a relation between theta, L and R. So theta is equal to L by R. So whenever you apply this formula, you have to convert theta into radian measure. You have to convert this degree into radian measure. जब तुम दूसरी फॉर्मूला पुट करोगे उसी डिग्री मेजर्स को कन्वर्ट करोगे इनटू रेडियन मेजर. सो इन रेडियन मेजर वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई बाय 180 रेडियन. सो इट इज कैंसिल 3. सो इन रेडियन मेजर थीटा इज पाई बाय 3. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट? वी हैव टू फाइंड r. सो r इज व्हाट? L बाय थीटा. ठीक है, अगर थीटा की वैल्यू L बाय R होती है, R की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? L बाय थीटा. तो वैल्यू ऑफ L इज 37.4 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इज हाउ मच? पाई बाय 3. पाई बाय 3. 37.4 divided by pi. So 3 becomes reciprocal. Now you have to put value of pi, that is 22 by 7. 37.4 multiply 3, 22 by 7. Clear students? Now you have to multiply it. 37.4, 3 7s are how much? It is 21. Divided by 22. Clear? So when you calculate this term, its approximate value is 35.7 centimeters. Clear students? So 35.7 is what? It is the radius of that circle. Clear? Next example 4. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. 1.5 centimeter long. It means 1.5 centimeter is what? It is the radius of circle. Clear? The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. ठीक है, minute hand of clock की ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦੀ length given length that is 1.5 centimeter. It means it is the radius of that circle. How far does it tip move in 40 minutes? How far? Far means distance. पूछा है कि उदी ਜਿਹੜੀ tip minute hand की वो कितना distance move करोगी? It means पूछे कि कितना रोटेट करूंगी इन हाउ मेनी मिनट्स इन 40 मिनट्स कितना डिस्टेंस मूव करूंगी मिनट हैंड द टिप इन 40 मिनट्स इट मींस व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ठीक है तो सी आर्क की लेंथ फाइंड करोगे क्लियर सो टाइम गिवन 40 मिनट्स So in 60 minutes there is complete one revolution. 60 minutes के बीच एक complete revolution होगा. Clear? So in 60 minutes there is one complete revolution and in one complete revolution there is a 360 degree. 360 degree होंगे 60 minutes के बीच in one complete round. Clear? So in 1 minute there is how much? 360 by 60 degree. So it is 6 degree. In 1 minute minute hand move 6 degree. We have to find in how much time in 40 minutes. So in 40 minutes minute hand of the clock rotate 6 into 40 degree. It is 240 degree. Clear? In 40 minutes minute hand of the clock rotate 240 degree. Clear students? So next we have to find the relation between theta and r. In this relation we have to find the value of what? R. It is what? It is the radius of that clock. So theta is 240 degree. In this relation we have to convert this degree into radian measure. So it is 0 0 cancel. 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. So it is 4 5 by 3 radian. 4 5 by 3 radian. Now we have to find length of r. So L is what? Theta multiplying r. So theta is 4 pi by 3. And radius is how much? Radius is 1.5. Clear? 1.5. Clear students? So 1.5 multiply 4. 1.5 4 it is 6. 6 pi divided by 3. So 3 3 2 is 6. It is 2 pi. Now we have to put the value of pi. Value of pi in this equation is 3.14. 3.14. So 3.14 multiplied 2 it is 6.28 centimeter. So 6.2 centimeter is the length of that r which minute hand rotate in 40 minutes. ठीक है? यदि minute hand मतलब टिप पर वो 40 minutes से which किधर rotate करोगी? 6.28 centimeter. So this is the example number 4. Next example 5. If the arc of the same length in two circles, if arc of the same length, it means there are two circles but the length of arc is same. Take L1 length of arc of first circle and take L2 length of arc of the second circle. Clear? In the given question, the condition is the length of the arc of the same length. Arc of the same length. It means L1 is equal to L2. It is given. There are two circles, but the length of arc it should be same. ठीक है? कि जो arc length है ये arc की वो same है. Subtends angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center. This arc in first circle subtends an angle 65 degree and this arc subtends angle at the center should be 110 degree. जो फर्स्ट सर्कल का आर्क का वो एंगल सेंटर से बना होगा 65 डिग्री का और जो सेकंड सर्कल का आर्क का सेंटर से एंगल कितना बना होगा 110 डिग्री. We have to find the ratio of their radii. मतलब तो सिर्फ दोनों सर्कल्स की रेडियस की रेशियो फाइंड करनी है. रेडियस की रेशियो. So take radius of first circle R1 and radius of second circle R2. Clear? Theta 1 is how much? It is 65 degree. So convert degree measurement to radian measurement. So you have to multiply by pi by 180. So it is how much? 5 on the 5 is 15, 5 is 15, 5 is 30. It is 30 pi by 36. Really clear? And theta 2 it is 110 degree. So 110 multiplied by pi by 180. So 0 cancel. It is 11 pi by 180 radian. Yes students, so we have to find next ratio of the radii R1 divided by R2 or you find R2 divided by R1. Clear? दोनों सेम हो, चाहे से R1 by R2 फाइंड करो चाहे R2 by R1. Clear students? So next, what is the relation between theta and theta is equal to L by R. From this equation, R is equal to L by theta. So what is the value of R1? R1 is L1 by theta 1. L1 by theta 1. And value of R2 is L2 by theta 2. L2 by theta 2. Now L1 by theta 1 multiply theta 2 by L2. You have to do reciprocal. Clear? So जब reciprocal करोगे theta 2 by L2 है. Clear? Now L1 is equal to L2. कि जो सी की लेंथ ऑफ आर्क वो सेम थी. तो तुसी L2 to L1 लिख सकते हो. चाहे L2 में L2 रह दो दोनों सेम है. L1 से L2 ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Clear? Now you have to put the value of theta 2. Theta 2 is 11 pi by 18. 11 pi by 18 radian. And the value of theta 1 is 13 pi by 36 radian. Radian cancel, pi by cancel. Now what? 11 by 18 multiply 36 by 13. You have to do reciprocal again of 13 by 36. So it becomes 36 by 13. Now getting on the 18 to the how much? 36. So 11 to the 22 divided by 13. So what is the ratio? The ratio is 22 ratio 13. Yes students, so 22 ratio 13 is the ratio of radius of these two circles. Clear? So this is example number 5.